2026 Maruti Suzuki Eeco 7-seater. This model is known for its affordability and high practicality, and the 2026 version brings minor design updates, improved safety features, and better comfort. It remains a popular multi-purpose MPV for families and commercial users who prioritize function over flashy styling. Starting with the exterior, the tall and boxy design continues, maximizing interior space. The front grille has been refreshed, and the bumper design has been slightly updated. The headlamps give a sharper look, creating a cleaner and more modern front appearance. The large windshield improves visibility and makes city driving easier and safer. From the side, the straight and simple body shape highlights its practical nature. The large doors make entering and exiting convenient, especially for families and elderly passengers. At the rear, vertical tail lamps and a wide tailgate make loading and unloading luggage simple and efficient. Overall, the exterior focuses on usability rather than aggressive styling. Inside, the cabin is designed with practicality in mind. A dual-tone color theme creates a neat appearance, and the seats offer improved cushioning for better comfort during long journeys. The 7-seat layout provides enough room for family use, while the large windows create a bright and airy atmosphere. Multiple storage spaces enhance daily convenience, and the air conditioning system delivers effective cooling in hot weather conditions. Under the hood, the Eeco is powered by a 1.2-liter K-series petrol engine that delivers smooth and stable performance. It provides adequate power for city traffic and steady highway cruising. The 5-speed manual transmission offers smooth gear shifts and easy handling. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing road bumps effectively and ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. Fuel efficiency remains strong, making it economical for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. The lightweight steering and compact turning radius make it easy to maneuver in tight urban spaces. Safety has been significantly improved in the 2026 model. It now includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders as standard features. The body structure has been reinforced to meet updated safety regulations, providing better passenger protection. These enhancements make the vehicle more reliable and reassuring for family use. One of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Eeco 7-seater is its value for money. It offers true 7-seat practicality at an affordable price, low maintenance costs, and wide service network support. While it may not provide premium technology features, it excels in reliability, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness. In conclusion, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Eeco 7-seater remains a practical, economical, and dependable MPV. It is an ideal choice for families and businesses seeking spacious seating, improved safety, and affordable ownership in 2026.